my Boxycharm for the month of December. I wanted to share with you all what I got. The theme for the box was Gift of Glam. First item I pull out is from Tarte. This is a lip plumper. Next up is from Mud Mystique. This is a cleansing mask. Next up is an eyeliner. Next up is a brightening eye cream from Tint. The last item in the box is from Real Her. This is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. I like the glitters. Perfect for day and night. Here's everything I received for the month of December. I really do like this box. You get your money's worth. And let me know what you guys think. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.